What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. I want to thank every one of you guys for all the love. Make sure you guys go to Immortal Society website down below the video and make sure that you submit in the raffle. Now the raffle ends September 28th. Make sure you guys go down, and the raffle is just $10 entry. You can do as many as you want to win the front lip bumper for an Acura Integra that you just seen on the screen right now. So make sure you guys go do that $10 entry as many times you want. This raffle ends September 28th. There's a lot of you guys already did it, so I will be announcing the lucky winner next month. Make sure you guys go down below. But before we get any deeper in this video, we are on our way to go fix the Acura Integra. It's been 4 to 5 months that I haven't had a sunroof windshield because the other one flew off on the damn highway, which was crazy. But when I bought the car, it was already in bad condition, but I guess the stickiness or the adhesive under the windshield was no good and ended up flying off, and thank God nobody got injured or hurt. But today we're gonna correct that. We're gonna go to the junkyard and we're gonna go pick up some parts. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned, drink some soda, get some water, man. All right, which car are we gonna take today? We're gonna take this Integra. Let's go. I gotta put this in the car. Getting new banners, new decals coming soon. All right, guys, junkyard time. It's time to find the part. So they have two Integras back there. It's a black and a blue one, but they do have the sunroofs. So let's do this, man. They told me if I don't know how to do it myself, I can get a little assistance. So let's go. Found the Acura Integra back here. I got a lot of this poor car. I think this is a newer version. This is definitely a newer version of my car. I don't know if that's gonna fit my top of my car, but I can try to see if it fits. I'm not sure, but this car is gutted out, man. It's creepy back here, but I'm gonna try to take this thing off. I don't know how I'm gonna do it without the key, but we're gonna figure it out. Found it. It took me an hour and a half, but found the window, found the exact size. Found the exact ear from my Integra. Out of all these cars, got me a window. Just gotta clean it and just bring it back to life, just so I can have something on top. I just really yanked it. I yanked it off because it was super hot. Let's go out. It's been 3 to 4 months driving without a sunroof window. So I went to the junkyard today and got up on one. I gotta clean it real good, clean it real thorough, and then I will be able to install it on here, and then I'll be able to wash my car. I haven't really washed my car. I had to wash my car kind of weird because I didn't want to clean the top because it's gone and I don't want water sinking in, and I don't have to cover my car with 2 to 3 layers of car cover so the rain won't get inside the car. So now we're good, and that was a good come up. And on top of that, it's been so difficult driving this car. That's why I was driving at 50, because since the sunroof window is gone, when I drive, it's so hard to keep the AC in here. Even when I shut the lid, it's just so, the heat just overkills the AC. So we back in business. I'm excited for that. Trash. And but yeah, that's what it is, man. Just doing this and we should be good, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sweating like booty cheeks, you know what I'm saying? It is really hot. I got that open, so I'm not even pretending. Matter of fact, let's just close it. Whew. Turn this AC on. Like, the AC works perfectly in this car, but since no windshield, whatever, on top of the sunroof, it's hard for the heat. It's hard for the cool. It's to stay cool. So we good though. Other than that, man, we came up on a good part. If you guys ever in a situation need a certain like OEM part for your cars, I highly recommend go to a junkyard. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't know how to do it yourself, make sure you ask somebody that you know that have some type of experience or could do it for you, to help you out and do it, because I spent 40 bucks and I could have been paying like 180, 170 for a company to come just put a small tiny ass window on my car. So, or you know, whatever, windshield window, whatever you want to call it. But I do recommend to any one of you guys that's need to change any OEM part. OEM means like original factory part to your car. Go to the junkyard and just go pick it out and clean it. It really does justice, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited, man. This Integra is coming along. And like I told you guys in previous videos, I don't plan on going super built with this car. This car is going to be strictly a show car slash commuter. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care for making power in this car and all that. I just needed to do what it needs to do. Take me to A to B and Z. Reliable. You know, and this car is an amazing car. It's cool, man. I'm hella happy. I've been lazy. I've been so lazy to just go to the junkyard and do it. But I was being lazy and I was being cheap. I didn't want to pay for the shit. But it's a little money, man. And I'm happy. I went to the one in Brentwood. It's called Pinions or some shit like that. Because I called Tow Yard in Pittsburgh, California, and they told me 80 bucks for the fucking thing. But I went there and I only paid 40 bucks. So there you go. There you go. And it's crazy too. Every time I drive any of my cars, I break a lot of necks, especially this damn Integra. A few people be going crazy, like they be next to me and then they take photos, and then, or if I go to a gas station store or something like that, people always got a question. They don't know what car it is until they really pay attention to it. They're like, man, that car is awesome. I love what you did. So it's crazy, man. The love in person is insane, man. You get so much love in person. It's crazy. It's crazy. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is how my original one is, the stock. Oh, that's my RC thing though. But anyways, I gotta, if you guys could look right there, there's 1, 2, 3. So it's a total of 6. It's on 3 on each side. Basically use a hex wrench, get in there, take this part off that's damaged, take it off, clean this off, and we're gonna put those 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, so 6 total, and then we're just gonna replace it. But right now it's extremely dirty. I don't even think it's clear, but it's better than nothing. So let's get this cleaned and we do the next part. And it comes with like a tint already on it, which is cool. I'm gonna put some of this soap in, just wipe it down. I want to make sure it's all clean. I'm not gonna do too much water. That should be good. Turn that off. All right, so we gotta take this one off. I'm gonna take that one off, and then we do the next step. The car, now everything is good. Let me show you guys the roof. I broke my damn quick release. I gotta get that fixed, but I'm gonna show you guys the roof. Much better, much better. Of course, this does this with the vinyl. Plus, it's an old ass window, but anyways, it looks good. Now, I finally cleaned the whole car the correct way. Let me open up this sunroof and show you how it looks. Let's go. Let's see. Open the door. Let's look. Now we're gonna, I think that's enough. And then we go up and it works. So now, move it out. Looking raggedy anymore. And yep, there we go. So I finally fixed it. To you guys before, and I'm gonna say it again. Make sure, if anything, when it's time for you to get parts that you can replace OEM for cheap, let's look at this, go down. Oh my gosh. Like new. Like I said, make sure you guys go to junkyards, because junkyards have everything you may need. I'm swear to God. And it's so much easier. And if you're not really a handy person like I am, it's okay. Try your best, or just bring somebody that has experience with trying to take car parts off. I'm telling you, you will save way much more money. I did this less than $100. So I'm telling you guys, make sure you guys do some OEM shit. Try your best first before you make a quick decision for a certain part, because a lot of these junkyards have these cars, especially like we have older cars, not newer cars, but we have like more of the older cars, project cars and stuff like that. The junkyard is your best friend, because they're gonna have everything, all the supplies that you may need in order to fix a situation with your car, and it's all OEM parts. I'm telling you guys. But other than that, I'm gonna end the video here. I do appreciate you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for all the love. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys, because like I always tell you guys, without you guys, this channel is impossible. The growth is impossible. The hunger for me will be slim. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for all your love, support. Please continue to support the channel. Like and subscribe. We are out.